comparison.
Everything you said has been a lie so far. So you're not coming back. You had steaks in your pants.
Still not coming back.
You're packing some serious meat down there.
Stop it. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's us calling you back.
Yep.
What's going on?
So my husband is in jail. She's literally a prostitute, has my husband's phone, and she's trying to sell it at the Eco ATM.
How do you know she has this phone?
I tracked it here, and she answered it before I turned it off. So I turned it off through T-Mobile, and it's secured, so I can unlock it.
Okay.
And everything.
How do you know that it's? How do you know this woman?
He knows her through drugs, and that he's in jail for him screwing her in my house.
Sorry to hear that. Yeah.
So,
nobody deserves that, right?
Yes.
Sounds like a piece of work. Okay.
I've been with him for 19 years. The drugs, and I think there's something mental with him, and
all right.
Just
let me pull up over here. We'll go inside.
He is not him.
Not acting like himself, right?
I just don't want my stuff that me and him work for sold.
I got you.
What's she look like?
She's taller than me. She's got red hair. It's up in a ponytail, but it's folded over.
Go. Bright red or just like red, like orangey red?
Like natural red hair color.
Okay. How'd she get the phone?
He gave it to her before he went to jail, but she's not supposed to be selling it.
Is it shared property, or who's it? You guys had it together, I assume? You guys are married?
Yeah, we're on the same
You think
phone.
she has it with her right now?
Yeah, she's trying to sell it.
What's her name?
Dee.
9-4. I'll be at the property room.
Hey, Joe.
You're Erica. Yeah.
Looks
you
like
also
a D.
known as D?
I don't know a Dee.
Do you have a phone that belongs to the woman up front that we can just get back to her?
I don't have a phone whatsoever.
No?
No, I don't have a phone. First completely. First completely. I don't have a phone. I don't even know his phone. You don't even know his phone.
What are you doing, buying some food? Where's Taz? Where's your boy Taz
I don't
at?
mess with Taz no more.
You don't mess with him?
I don't mess with Taz. You can help him all the time. Yeah.
Is it Taz's phone?
I don't even have it.
I wonder if that's baby mom. I don't know.
I've been with him. I've got Taz like this. You
don't go by D sometimes?
No. Never. No.
Is Taz in jail right now?
Yeah.
So you aren't with him?
No.
He's with some other girl?
Amanda. Right, Amanda.
Is she a big girl?
She used to be. Got brown hair, straight brown hair.
Let me see who
I
her
don't mess with Taz.
You don't mind if I take a look, do you?
I don't have a phone.
Empty your bag for me?
Yeah, I ain't taking the stuff yet, but yeah.
I've got good old Verizon cell phone service not working out here.
Does that mean you shut it off?
No, it's just shitty
Yeah,
signal.
dump it out. How's that?
What's with all these steaks? You guys eat?
We're trying to cook out.
Who's cooking out?
What's our caller's name again?
My mom.
Jamie?
Thanks. What'd you say Taz's new girlfriend's name is?
Amanda. I
Okay.
don't know her last name.
Okay.
Amanda. That's all I know.
She described you.
I'm not.
Are you just holding on to Taz's phone while he's in
I
jail?
don't have a phone.
We're just double checking. You definitely have.
I don't have a phone.
Hey, what's this?
These are steaks. I'm getting steaks.
No, this is not a steak.
These are all steaks, baby.
Are you stealing steaks
no,
then?
I'm not stealing steaks.
Give me a break.
What's in your
Oh my God, you got crack pipes falling out all over the place.
Damn, Erica, you can't do that.
I'm not stealing steaks. This is what I do every time.
No, you're full of shit.
I used to do that all the time.
No, you're.
That's what I do to keep me from stealing.
You were trying to steal steaks.
I don't have a phone. You can start.
You're missing something there. All right, you got another one.
I don't have a phone. Start. I don't have a phone.
I'm not gonna.
I don't have a phone.
What are you doing?
I don't think Erica is your real name.
You don't prostitute no more, so you don't know what to do. I'm sure you can find.
Other things.
Young lady, can we borrow your help here for a minute?
Do you guys still have a loss prevention people here?
Not sure. I can find out for you.
We just pulled a bunch of these steaks out of her
Yeah, we're looking for
pants.
something else, but she happens to have some steaks down her short. So we convinced her to put them back. We just don't know what your policy is.
I don't think you want them on the shelf.
Got a security guy up front.
But is LP here though?
I'm not sure.
No. I can find out for you. Give me 1 second, okay?
What's your name? What's your real name?
Erica. It's Erica. Erica.
That is right, Erica. I don't remember.
What's your last name?
Flinders.
What is?
Flinders. FLINDERS.
What's your social? Where's that?
My mom's.
Well, you just got caught stealing.
I'm stealing. I do that stuff all the time.
You get $12 a pop. You got, over $40 in merchandise.
What's your phone number?
Contact number is 6.
You got any warrants or anything right now?
Oh, yes,
We don't need security.
Yeah, loss prevention would be better.
Security is
How are you going to put this down your pants?
I'm going to. I do that.
You're going to pay for part of it and steal the rest of it? Stop it. Do we look like we're a couple of 12-year-olds?
So you buy this and you steal that? What do you do? So why is this floating around in your car?
190 records.
All of that.
You want to take it.
190.
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm Drew. Nice to meet you.
I'm Drew.
Hey.
So she had, was it 3 or 4 down her pants? 3?
One on each side and one down the front.
I've never been in there.
I don't know which one was down the front.
But the girl that looks like me got a crossover. It's purple.
Well, we're here for something completely different. We just happened to notice she had large pieces of meat in her pants.
She'll be officially banned from the store. There's a notebook up front that you can just follow them up with, and we'll ban her from the store. Okay. And then we'll just take that picture and we'll add it in, and then she'll be officially trespassed. So she comes up here again, and they can actually file a charge.
You want your name on the road?
Yep, absolutely. Yeah.
Sure, your name and you have ID with you, sir?
Yeah, Drew McNally.
Unless you want to give it out loud, whatever you want to do. Erica, you hear that? You're not welcome back here. It sounds like you might have been already before, but from this point forward, you acknowledge that, right?
I acknowledge.
It's in front of all these personnel here, right? This is salvageable if you just rewrap them, but they might have been on bare skin, so I don't know. I would proceed with caution.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of them.
I'd throw them in the incinerator. And
Yeah.
Even then, I can't guarantee that there won't be some. Erica, you know better than this.
I know.
Lots of people looking for help. All you got to do is take a shower, get dressed, go to work.
I'll come back.
I'll get your report number up front.
Yeah.
Where's your office at? Are you up front?
No, there's just a
I think
book
it's
up front, and it's to the CPD.
You just leave everything else right
These are
here.
mine. I'm gonna
Yep, you can take the crackers. Everything else is staying right here.
All the
Yeah,
reports up there.
That's
It's a
fine.
criminal trespass form, and you can just fill it out and fill out everything. We'll use that picture you have.
So I'll leave you the report number up front.
Yeah, you can sit with him, and then I'll do it. Yep.
This is all yours.
And then and then these ones are all in your pants right here. This one wasn't.
The little ones. The big one was floating in the basket.
Okay.
So the little ones were shoved on.
Oh, thank you very much. We'll get rid of the little ones. Thank you guys.
Let's go up front.
Thanks for all you do.
I'm not coming back.
Thank you.
That's embarrassing.
Everything you said has been a lie so far. So you're not coming back. You had steaks in your pants.
Still not coming back.
You're packing some serious meat down there.
Stop it. Oh my God.
Is that D? You don't think that she's in here unless she's like hiding in storage somewhere. So.
Can you clear this code 2 and put us back on a shoplifter at the same location? We found a young lady packing serious meat in her pants.
Okay.
1231.
Is that D?
1231.
Okay. We don't think that she's in here unless she's like hiding in storage somewhere. So.
Or in the bathroom.
Yeah. We have to deal with her for a minute, then we'll get with you. All right, we'll be here.
He's got a freaking test book back thing.
All right, young lady, just stand over here in the shade. Is it E-R-I-C-A or K-A?
A-R-I-C-K-A.
No, I thought it was an E. Give me 1 minute, sir. Thank you. What's your last name?
Flinders.
Linders? What's your social today?
No. I just put it down everything. Go back on the 17th.
What's your date of birth?
Can you clear this code 2 and put us back on the Shoplifter at the same location? Found a young lady packing serious meat in
Erica Flinders. All right, young lady, stand by. We'll get you going here in a minute. Hello? You understand if you come back here now, you'd be arrested for trespassing. Now that you've been notified, I would find a new grocery store. Okay? You can't make decisions like this. This is not good. I know that you don't want to be do what you were doing before, but you definitely can't be doing that. You got to generate some income somewhere else.
I know.
You live with your mom? You still contact with your mom? Okay, well then, why don't you go take a shower, get dressed up, and go put some applications in. There's plenty of people looking to hire people. Did you ever end up having, you were pregnant a couple years ago? Where's she at?
There's gonna be the report number, and I put her name on the other side of that.
Right now?
No, I put the suspect's name on it, so you can put it on your records. Alrighty. We didn't find her.
I don't. There's somebody in the bathroom, but
Okay, this girl was trying to steal a bunch of meat, so we got stuck on that. But yeah, sorry about your phone problem.
Thanks, dude. Excellent on the air.
I'm still not doing stupid shit.
It was just perfect.
No one.
All right, so you're good. Stay away from this business. Do not come back in here. You'll be trespassed. You'll be taken to jail next time. That's the best we can do for you. All right? Good luck to you. Go find somewhere else to hang out. Get yourself a job. Pay for your steaks. Don't pack them down your pants, all right?
Please don't say nothing to me if you see it on the street. Please don't.
Do what?
Please don't say nothing to me if you make fun of me on the street and you see it.
Oh, I'm not going to make fun of you. No. I mean, I hardly ever see you anymore, right?
Right. But
All right, be careful.
please don't.
I guess.